Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Puspita Agustina dari kelas 12 IPA 5. Saya akan membacakan materi procedure text. Procedure text that shows how to make something or how to do something sequentially or step by step. The purpose of procedure text is to provide instruction on how to do something through coherent action or step. Generic structure. 1. Aim or goal. This aim the purpose of procedure text, usually in the form of a title or description of what will be made or done. 2. Materials. This section contains a list of materials and tools to complete the procedure text. However, not all procedure text requires material. There are types of procedure text that do not use material or tools, namely procedure text that describes how to do an instruction manually or how something can work. Example: how to use the television, the fridge, the phone, or the rice cooker, and others. Procedure text that explains the rules or how to do certain activities. Example: flag safety rules, video game rules. Procedure text that teach humans about life or related to human nature and habits. Example: how to be happy, how to be useful for someone, how get a boyfriend, and so stuff. 3. Step. The step section contains a series of steps that must be performed sequentially. This step must be done so that the goals stated in the aim or goal section can be achieved. Features of procedural sentence. Using the come and sentence pattern imperative. For example, cut the banana into pieces. Don't mix the coconut milk the water. Heat the water for 5 minutes. Using action for example, crack, chop, cut, heat, mix. Using sequence adverbs such and soon as first, second, next, then, finally, while. Using adverbs to state the details of time and place. For example, for cook the mixture for 1 hour. Boil the water for 5 minutes. Crack egg into the bowl, and so on. Using the simple present tense. Example of procedure text. How to make brownies. Ingredients: 150 gram of butter, 150 gram of dark chocolate, 300 gram of flour, 4 eggs, 600 gram of regular sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 1. Melt the chocolate with the butter. 2. Stir the eggs with the sugar and the vanilla extract. 3. Preheat the oven at low temperature. 4. Combine the mix you made. 5. Add the flour and stir with a wooden spoon. 6. Grease a brownie tin. 7. Add a little flour to cover the tin. 8. Add the brownie dough. 9. Bake for 10 to 30 minutes. 10. To check the brownies, put a knife in the mix. The knife must be moist. Eat them 15 minutes after you took them out the oven. Selanjutnya saya akan membacakan soal prosedur text. 1. How much flour do you need to make brownies? Answer. I need 300 grams to make brownies. 2. What is the first thing to do when making brownies? Answer. Melt the chocolate with the butter. 3. What should you do before combining the mixes? Answer. Preheat the oven at low temperature. 4. What should you do after greasing a brownie tin? Answer. Add a little flour to cover the tin. 5. According to text, how many steps are there to make brownies? Answer. There are 10 steps to make brownies. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.